Example, oh, it's big. Yeah, it's big. Now, I'll compare. It's bigger. Big, bigger. When we have comparison, then we just write bigger. And if we have only one, we can say big. That was big. Now, it's bigger. But if we add this, then it would be biggest. This is biggest. This was big when they both are not here. So it's big. When we add it, it is bigger. It is bigger. Biggest. Big, bigger, biggest.
Hey kids, earlier we have read about the adjectives in the previous video. Now we move to the degrees of adjectives. Do you know there are adjectives and they are used for comparison also, as adjectives are the words that tell us more about noun, and there are very many kinds of adjectives also. Now we move to the degrees of comparison of the adjectives. So we have adjectives used for comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison, and they are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In the positive degree, let's take an example of an adjective tall. Tall, lamba. So now let me explain it to you first. As you know, adjectives used to compare qualities of a noun, there are 3 degrees. First one, positive, when the quality of a thing is stated and no comparison is being made, the adjective used is in the positive degree. So let's take an example. Sweet, or Ram is the tall boy. Ram is tall boy. राम लंबा है. तो ये जो है वो पॉजिटिव डिग्री है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन नहीं हुआ है, किसी से उसकी तुलना नहीं हुई है राम की, बस उसकी विशेषता बताई गई है कि राम जो है वो लंबा है. राम इज़ अ टॉल बॉय. सो इट्स पॉजिटिव डिग्री. व्हेन नेक्स्ट वन, comparative, when this quality of 2 things is being compared, the adjective used is in the comparative degree. For example, Ram is taller than Shyam. So here we have the comparison of two persons. Okay, so in this way, similarly we can use the comparative degree when there is comparison have been made. जब 2 लोगों के बीच में तुलना होती है ना, तब हम comparative degree यूज़ करते हैं जिसमें ER आता है. When the quality, next one, when the quality of more than 2 things is being compared, the adjective used is in the superlative degree. For example, जब हम कंपेयर करते हैं 2 से ज़्यादा चीज़ों को, ठीक है, तब हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राम इज़ द टॉलेस्ट बॉय इन द क्लास. अब यहाँ पे राम का कंपैरिजन पूरी क्लास के साथ हुआ है ना. सो राम इज़ द टॉलेस्ट बॉय इन द क्लास, सबसे ज़्यादा टॉल है वो, ठीक है. नो अदर बॉय इन द क्लास इज़ एज टॉल एज राम. सो in this way, similarly, if we take the example sweet, then its comparative degree will be sweeter and superlative is the sweetest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Okay, now let's talk about a table and you will understand how there has been made the positive to comparative and then to the superlative. Next page. With most adjectives, we used ER to make comparative and EST to make it superlative, just like big, bigger, biggest, thick, thicker, thickest. Now why G is being doubled in the biggest, I'll just explain it to you later on. If an adjective ends with vowel plus Y, जब हमारे पास किसी भी पॉजिटिव डिग्री में किसी भी एडजेक्टिव में सबसे लास्ट में Y होता है और उससे पहले E होता है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, इसमें भी ये सिमिलर यही फॉलो किया गया है, ग्रेयर, ग्रेएस्ट. नेक्स्ट, इफ़ एन एडजेक्ट, नेक्स्ट पेज, इफ़ एन एडजेक्टिव एंड्स विद ई, जब सबसे लास्ट में किसी एडजेक्टिव में ई होता है तो उसमें सिर्फ हम आर और कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में आर और सुपरलेटिव में एस टी ऐड कर देते हैं. लार्ज, लार्जर, लार्जेस्ट, सिंपल, सिंपलर, सिंपलेस्ट, नाइस, नाइसर, नाइसेस्ट. So next, if an adjective ends with Y, सिर्फ Y हो एंड में, we just remove the Y and add IER to make it superlative. Just remove the y and add, instead of y, just write I and er and est to the superlative or comparative. So busy, busier, busiest. Just notice y has been omitted. Happy, happier, happiest. Next page. If an adjective ends with a single consonant, सिंगल कॉन्सोनेंट से एंड होता है कोई एडजेक्टिव, तो हम उस कॉन्सोनेंट को डबल कर देते हैं और उससे बिल्कुल ठीक पहले एक वोवल हो. ठीक है, सबसे लास्ट में कॉन्सोनेंट और उससे बिल्कुल ठीक पहले वोवल हो, वोवल AEIOU, तो हम उस कॉन्सोनेंट को डबल कर देते हैं. जस्ट लाइक बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट एंड हॉट, हॉटर, हॉटेस्ट, थिन, थिनर, थिनेस्ट. सो नेक्स्ट, इफ एन एडजेक्टिव हैज़ मोर देन 2 syllables, जब थोड़ा सा हमारा स्पेलिंग थोड़ा लंबा होता है और हम उसको एक वर्ड को बोलने के लिए 2 या 3 बार उस एक छोटा सा पॉज लेते हैं. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ब्यूटीफुल, टी के बाद एक पॉज है. डिफ़िकल्ट, इंटेलिजेंट, ये छोटा सा पॉज आता है ना, जेंट, इंटेली और जेंट के बीच में, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, 2 syllables है. सो ऐसी स्पेलिंग्स में क्या करते हैं, ऐसे एडजेक्टिव्स में वी जस्ट write more in the comparative and in the superlative we write most. So beautiful, most beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Good. Some adjectives, now remember these are the important one. Some adjectives do not follow any pattern. कोई पैटर्न नहीं होता है इनका, है ना, स्पेसिफिक डिफरेंट ही है, ये सारे इरेगुलर हैं. सो दे मे बी गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. गुड अच्छा, बेटर उससे अच्छा, बेस्ट सबसे अच्छा. ठीक है, गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. नाउ मच, मोर, मोस्ट, मैनी, मोर, मोस्ट, ओल्ड, older, oldest, and you can also write old, elder, eldest. Little, less, least. It's the important one. Little, less, least. Far, little छोटा, less उससे छोटा, दो comparison, least सबसे छोटा. Far, farther, farthest. You can also say far, further, furthest. Bad, worse, worst. Now let's take some fill in the blanks, fill ups as an example, and it will be clear to you more about the concept of comparative and superlatives. So in a sentence, when using the comparative degree, I'll just tell you a hint before solving it. In a sentence, when using the comparative degree of an adjective, then is used after the adjective. Similarly, when using the superlative degree of an adjective, the is used before the adjective. किसी भी सेंटेंस में हमें जब एडजेक्टिव्स फिल करने हो, करेक्ट हमें डिग्री फिल करनी हो, तो हमें जो ब्लैंक दी होता है जहाँ हमें एडजेक्टिव फिल करना है, ब्लैंक के बिल्कुल बाद में अगर देन हो, है ना, तो हम उसमें कंपैरेटिव डिग्री फिल करते हैं. और ब्लैंक से बिल्कुल पहले अगर द दिया हो तो हम उसमें सुपरलेटिव डिग्री फिल करते हैं, EST या मोस्ट वाला. ठीक है, लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल एंड इट वुड बी मोर क्लियर टू यू. मतलब यही है कि अगर एडजेक्टिव से पहले देन आता है तो इट वुड बी इन द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, और ब्लैंक एडजेक्टिव से पहले द आता है तो इट इज़ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. एक छोटा सा ट्रिक है, ओके. और कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है तो पॉजिटिव डिग्री. फर्स्ट वन, choose the correct adjective to complete each sentence. Now, I had filled them and we'll discuss. Farid is quite talkative, but Hari is dash then Farid. Now we have Hari and Farid. The comparison has been between two person. So and we have then also after the blank. So I have written more talkative. Second one, can you see dash star in the sky? Now we have that and this. So this we used with the cheese, with the things nearer to us, and that we use with the things that are far away from us. So can you see that star? So I have written that because star तो बहुत ही दूर होते हैं हमसे. Third one, my sister has the dash voice. Now the we have before blank we have the, so it's obvious that we have to use the superlative degree. So I have written the most wonderful voice. Next, fourth, the sky is covered with dash clouds. Now remember, no comparison has been made between them, between the clouds or any other thing. Okay, so I have written white. I didn't written whiter here. Fifth one, I want to buy dash books, this or these. So now this we use with the singulars and these with the plural. So we have books. Noun क्या है हमारे पास? books. So it's plural. So I have written these. Sixth one, I left the class late. I was the last one to leave. Okay, I think the superlatives and the comparative had been clear to you. Now we move to another topic which also adjectives cover are sometimes we find that order of the adjective. What's the topic? It is order of the adjective. This can also be important for you. Sometimes we use more than one adjective to describe a noun. However, we do not use these adjectives in any random order. We use a standard order in which the adjectives must follow. तो एक स्टैंडर्ड ऑर्डर होता है. जब हमारे पास एक से ज़्यादा जब एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं ना, वी हैव 2, 3 समटाइम्स. व्हेन वी हैव दैट, just see with the example. So there is certain order that we have to follow. और वो certain order क्या होता है? जब हमारे पास 2-3 adjectives हों किसी सेंटेंस में, तो सबसे पहले उसमें आएगा नंबर. देखो यहाँ पर एक फ्लो चार्ट है जो आपको एक्सप्लेन करता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी जस्ट राइट द नंबर. इट वुड बी कार्डिनल और ऑर्डिनल, वट एवर इट इज. क्वालिटी और ओपिनियन, देन वी राइट द क्वालिटी. देन साइज, देन द एज, देन शेप, देन पर्पस. Okay, after shape we just write color, then nationality or origin, then the material, and at the last we use the purpose. Okay, so now let's take some example. In the first sentence, now read them. In the first sentence we have 3 adjectives: red, fat, big. 3 adjectives are there, but we didn't write that I saw a fat big red panda. No, it's not correct. So the certain order is there. So I saw a big fat red panda in the zoo. Second one, she bought 3 beautiful Turkish carpet. Now we have to follow a certain order, and that would be 3 beautiful. First of all, number is there, then the quality, beautiful, and then the origin, Turkish carpet. Now Zara keeps a small square silk handkerchief in her pocket. Now again, we cannot say it like this. Zara keeps a silk square small handkerchief. There is a certain order that we have to follow, and that is first we have to just write size. Okay, यहाँ पे हम देख लेंगे size को follow कर रहा है small, then square, then silk. Okay, then the origin. Okay, now children, I hope you have get that. Now I'll just pour some more exercises. Mother likes hot black Irish coffee when she is tired. Next, Rohit wants to buy a sports new red car. No, we have to write Rohit wants to buy a new red sports car. Next, Kira had made a wooden and big. How would we write? Big wooden chair. Then always use a black soft lead. No, it's wrong. So always use a soft black lead pencil. Then I decorated my house with the pretty pink plastic flowers. Sixth one, Grandpa bought a colorful round earthen pot. Next, Farah wants a medium strawberry milk bottle. Max walked through a long, old, dark corridor. Now that's it, students.